Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you all how I created these beautiful ombre knotless braids. Now, I must say that this is a beautiful look for the summer, and I'm very excited to share with you all not only the hair, but also the products and the technique that I used to create this style. Now, I got this hair when I went down to Miami, Florida, and by far this is the best braiding hair I have ever used. So I'm very excited to share with you all how you can create this style yourself and also where to get the hair. So if you'd like to see how I created this style, then continue to watch. So right here you see me applying my Style and Gem gel just to prepare my hair for the braid. So the hair is by Ziri Hollywood Braids, and I'm using the color SOM27. So here you see me starting off by braiding my own hair, and then I'm going to add 4 pieces of braiding hair into my braid. So from here, you're just going to continue to see me braid my hair, but I want to add one important detail. As you continue to see me braid my hair, I will always add the shine and jam paste. The reason for that is so that I create very neat braids, and it also prevents my hair from showing through the braids. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have any questions about the style or the products that I use, then leave them in my description box and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.